This is the most mysterious area in the world, where ships and airplanes often disappear. It is the Bermuda Triangle, located in the Sargasso Sea. The Bermuda Triangle is formed by the Bermuda Islands, Miami, and Puerto Rico. In 1945, a squadron of 5 U.S. Navy bombers disappeared in the area without a trace. Even the rescue plane sent to find them mysteriously vanished. There was also a disappearance of an airplane with 32 people on board. A large cargo ship with 300 sailors also disappeared here. And there have been hundreds of disappearances without a trace in the 20th century. Many theories suggest that harsh weather and strong storms in the area can sink passing vessels. Some scientists believe that methane gas eruptions from the seafloor might reduce water buoyancy, causing ships to sink instantly. There's even a theory that ships and airplanes are abducted by aliens. So what secrets does the Bermuda Triangle hold? And why do ships often disappear here? What do you think about it? Leave a comment below.